Movie update: One Day, One Trouble, showing on Peggy Ovary TV. We have Peggy Ovary, Nkechi Blessing, Rotimi, Sammy. We also have Sir Rex in this movie. One Day, One Trouble. More like every day for the thief, one day for the master. So this is just all over the top dramatic comic movie, if I may say. So it's a comic movie. If you want to laugh, obviously Nusa Rex is always at the front door of movies like this. So check it out. Now Peggy Ovary, on the other hand, she was involved in some bit of controversy. If you're on social media, you should know what I'm talking about. So but it's good she's back now producing movies. Check it out. One Day, One Trouble, showing on Peggy Ovary TV. See you guys next movie update and reviews.